Hey adventurers, welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews, where I test, compare, and review the best gear to make your outdoor trips easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're diving into the top 13 best budget backpacking tent, perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone looking for a lightweight, durable, and affordable shelter. Whether you're planning weekend trips or extended hikes, these tents combine portability, weather protection, and easy setup. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's get camping! Nightcat Backpacking Tent. I'll start with the Nightcat Backpacking Tent, a lightweight and budget-friendly option for solo or duo campers. I like how quick it is to set up, taking just a few minutes even for beginners. The tent is made from durable materials that resist light rain and wind, keeping me comfortable during overnight trips. Ventilation is excellent, with mesh panels that reduce condensation while letting fresh air in. The interior feels surprisingly roomy for a 1- or 2-person setup, allowing space for gear. Its compact pack size fits easily in my backpack, which is perfect for hiking. Overall, the Nightcat tent balances affordability, portability, and weather resistance, making it a reliable choice for budget-conscious backpackers who want convenience and comfort without overspending. Clostnature Ultralight Camping Tent. The Clostnature Ultralight Camping Tent impressed me with its minimalist design and portability. It's incredibly lightweight, which makes it perfect for long hikes or backpacking trips. I appreciate how compact it packs down, fitting neatly into a small carrying bag. Despite its small size, the interior feels spacious enough for 1 or 2 people comfortably. Setup is simple, with intuitive poles and clips that don't require prior experience. The tent's waterproof coating handles light rain well, and the breathable mesh helps reduce condensation overnight. I also like the durable materials that stand up to wind and rough terrain. For campers who want an ultralight, easy-to-carry, and affordable tent, the Clostnature Ultralight Camping Tent delivers excellent convenience without compromising basic protection and comfort. Nightcat 2P Camping Tent. The Nightcat 2P Camping Tent is designed for 2 campers, offering more interior space while remaining lightweight. I like how roomy it feels, giving extra space for sleeping bags and gear. Setup is straightforward thanks to color-coded poles and simple clips. The tent performs well in mild rain, and the waterproof fly adds extra protection. Ventilation is good, with mesh panels that prevent stuffiness and condensation. It's compact when packed, making it easy to carry in my backpack. The durable construction handles typical camping wear and tear. Overall, this tent strikes a solid balance between comfort, portability, and affordability. If you want a 2-person budget backpacking tent that's easy to use and reliable in most conditions, the Nightcat 2P is a solid choice for outdoor adventures. HILLMAN Instant Camping Tent. The HILLMAN Instant Camping Tent stands out for its fast, pop-up setup. I love how I can get it ready in less than a minute, which is perfect after a long hike. The tent is lightweight and easy to carry, fitting comfortably in a backpack. Its durable fabric and waterproof fly handle light rain and wind effectively. The interior feels spacious for 2 people and gear storage. Ventilation is excellent with mesh panels to keep air flowing and reduce condensation. I also like the built-in stakes and easy folding system for storage. For campers who want a stress-free, quick-to-assemble tent without breaking the bank, the HILLMAN Instant Camping Tent is an excellent option, combining convenience, weather protection, and portability for backpacking trips. JELUCAMP Portable Tent. The JELUCAMP Portable Tent is a lightweight, compact option perfect for short backpacking trips. I like how easy it is to set up, even when I'm tired after hiking. The waterproof rain fly provides solid protection during light showers, and the breathable mesh walls help reduce condensation overnight. Interior space is comfortable for 1 or 2 people, and there's room for small gear like backpacks or hiking shoes. Its compact pack size fits neatly in my bag, making it ideal for mobility. The tent feels sturdy and reliable, with reinforced poles that withstand typical outdoor conditions. For budget-conscious backpackers seeking convenience, portability, and decent weather protection, The JELUCAMP portable tent offers a strong balance of performance and affordability without unnecessary extras. Kelty Grand Backpacking Tent. The Kelty Grand Backpacking Tent impressed me with its balance of durability and lightweight design. Setup is straightforward with color-coded poles and easy clips. I like how spacious the interior feels for 2 campers, with enough room for gear and sleeping comfortably. The tent's waterproof fly and floor provide protection from rain and moisture. Ventilation is excellent, reducing condensation even in cooler temperatures. I also appreciate the lightweight design, making it easier to carry on long hikes. The tent is well built with quality materials, standing up to rough terrain and repeated use. For backpackers seeking a reliable, budget-friendly tent that doesn't compromise on durability or interior comfort, the Kelty Grand offers a solid choice for overnight outdoor adventures. GEERTOP Ultralight Solo Tent. The GEERTOP Ultralight Solo Tent is perfect for solo backpackers who prioritize weight and portability. I like how incredibly lightweight it is, making long hikes much easier. Despite its small footprint, the interior feels cozy for one person and some minimal gear. Setup is straightforward, using simple pole and clip systems. The tent's waterproof coating handles light rain, while mesh panels provide ventilation and reduce condensation. Its compact size allows it to fit easily in my backpack without adding bulk. The tent feels durable enough for typical outdoor conditions. If you're hiking solo and need a minimalist, budget-friendly tent that's easy to carry and quick to set up, the GEERTOP Ultralight Solo Tent delivers excellent convenience and protection in a lightweight package. Forceatt Waterproof Camping Tent. The Forceatt waterproof camping tent impressed me with its weather-ready features. I like the waterproof fly and durable floor, which keep me dry during rainy conditions. The tent is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to carry and reliable in the field. Setup is simple, with clear instructions and durable poles. Interior space is comfortable for 1 or 2 people with room for gear. Ventilation is handled well with mesh panels that reduce condensation and improve airflow. The tent folds down compactly, fitting easily in a backpack. For budget-conscious campers who want reliable protection from rain and wind without heavy equipment, the Forceatt waterproof camping tent offers a solid balance of performance, portability, and affordability for backpacking trips. Ultralight Waterproof Camping Tent. The Ultralight Waterproof Camping Tent is ideal for backpackers who value portability and weather protection. I like how lightweight and compact it is, making it easy to carry on long hikes. Setup is straightforward, even for first-time users, with simple poles and clips. The waterproof fabric keeps me dry during light to moderate rain, and mesh panels allow for ventilation, reducing condensation. The interior is cozy, but sufficient for 1 or 2 people plus small gear. Durability is solid, with reinforced seams and poles that handle typical outdoor conditions. Overall, this tent provides excellent value for its price. For hikers seeking an affordable, compact, and reliable tent that can handle varying weather conditions, the Ultralight Waterproof Camping Tent is a great choice for budget backpacking. Forceatt Compact Camping Tent. The Forceatt Compact Camping Tent is a lightweight, portable option for backpackers who want simplicity and reliability. I like how easy it is to carry in a backpack without adding extra weight. Setup is quick thanks to a user-friendly pole system. The tent's waterproof fly and floor protect against rain and damp ground. Ventilation is handled well through mesh panels, reducing condensation overnight. The interior is cozy for 1 or 2 people and allows space for essential gear. Durability is impressive, with reinforced poles and stitching. Overall, this compact tent balances portability, weather protection, and affordability. If you're looking for a practical, budget-friendly backpacking tent that's easy to carry and reliable in typical outdoor conditions, the Forceatt Compact Camping Tent is a solid choice. Featherstone Ultralight Camping Tent. The Featherstone Ultralight Camping Tent is perfect for campers seeking a minimal, portable shelter. I like how lightweight it is, making it easy to carry on long hikes without strain. The compact design packs neatly into a small bag. Setup is intuitive with simple poles and clips that don't take long to assemble. The tent's waterproof fabric keeps rain out, and mesh panels allow for airflow to reduce condensation. Interior space is enough for 1 or 2 people with minimal gear. The tent feels sturdy despite its ultralight design, standing up to typical backpacking conditions. For budget-conscious adventurers who prioritize portability and convenience, the Featherstone Ultralight camping tent is a great balance of lightweight design, durability, and affordability. Ultralight two-person tent. The Ultralight two-person tent is ideal for hikers or couples who want lightweight, compact camping gear. I like how easy it is to carry in a backpack without feeling cumbersome. Setup is simple and quick, making it perfect after a long day on the trail. The tent's waterproof rainfly and floor keep me dry in wet conditions, while mesh panels allow ventilation to prevent condensation. Interior space is surprisingly roomy for 2 people in small gear. Durability is solid, with reinforced poles and stitching that hold up during frequent use. Overall, this tent offers an excellent balance of portability, protection, and comfort. If you need a budget-friendly, ultralight two-person tent for backpacking, this model delivers reliable performance and convenience in the outdoors. Waterproof Family Camping Tent. The waterproof family camping tent is a versatile option for campers seeking more space without heavy weight. I like how roomy it feels, fitting 2 to 3 people comfortably along with gear. Setup is straightforward, and the tent includes a durable waterproof fly and floor to handle rain and moisture. Ventilation is handled well with mesh panels that reduce condensation overnight. Despite its larger size compared to solo tents, it remains lightweight enough to carry for short backpacking trips. The tent's construction is sturdy and reliable, with reinforced poles and stitching. Overall, the waterproof family camping tent offers excellent value for families or groups seeking a budget-friendly, spacious, and durable tent that provides comfort and weather protection during camping adventures. That's my complete list of the best budget backpacking tents you can find right now. I hope this video helps you choose a tent that fits your needs, whether you're camping solo, with a partner, or with a small group. Each of these tents balances portability, durability, and affordability for outdoor adventures. Don't forget to check the links below for current prices and full specifications. Thanks for watching Smart Gadget Reviews and spending your time with me today. If you enjoyed this guide, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another camping gear review.